Good day everyone, mga kapongers, mga kaolay. Today is the day 19 of our daily message. Before I share today's message, I would like to give a special shout out. Congratulations, Twinkle So, the daughter of my good friend Dexter Willonso, for winning the PSDL and Escriva Cup 2026. We are proud of you. Keep training, keep improving, and keep believing in yourself, okay? I would like also to thank Donic Philippines, especially Paring Handel and Boss Bill, for this wonderful shirt and for the continued support to our table tennis community. Maraming salamat po mga bossing, ha? Now let me share today's message. In table tennis and in all sports, one of the most important values we must always remember is respect. Respect for your coaches, respect for your teammates, respect for your opponents, and lastly, respect for the game. Winning is important, but how you believe during after the match is even more important. So win with humility, loss with dignity, because at the end of the day, your character defines you more than your results. So to all our young athletes, stay disciplined, stay humble, respect everyone, because great players are not only skilled, they also respectful. And if you believe in this message, mga kapongers, tulungan nyo na ako i-share ito para mas marami pa tayong maabot at mapalago ang table tennis sa Pilipinas. This is Coach Ting again, and this is the day 19 of our daily message. See you again tomorrow from the world of table tennis. Bye.